Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1600th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. I'm going to do one of these desktop shoots for you because it's my son's 16th birthday today. Happy birthday, Mike. Mikey, love you to death. And I wanted to enjoy the evening, so I thought I would do a quick video to show you what we're going to be trading on Thursday night into Friday. So this 1600th video is coming at you on a Thursday night for trading Friday, March 31st, 2017. Before we get into the topics in this video, I should say, please know that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. You must have risk capital to lose if you are going to play in the futures or stock trading arena. All right, traders, what do we got out there? We've got buying the dips, green omni in the emini S&P for trading on Friday, 3/31. We are back in this channel. If you recall, I showed you this channel when we fell out of it. So channel, very nice one, holds. We fell out of it. Talked about this being a flag. We got back above the flag into the channel. So the other night I did a video saying the flag is negated back into the channel, and that is what's going on. And we now have a green omni for trading on Friday in your E-mini S&P. Let's go look at the NASDAQ as well. NASDAQ, daily bar. Traders, look, it hits this high right here. Boom, backs off. Hits this high, backs off. Hits the high again. Then a fourth time, and we get above it yesterday. I should say that would be Thursday. For Friday, we're expecting to get above this line, rock and roll, move it out of the way, and see this thing start to move higher. That's what we're expecting, that we should break above this line. And we will have stops in because we would never trade without them in case we're wrong. But it looks like we will be able to best this line and move forward based on the analysis I've done with Omni and looking at all the other indices. Join me in my free live trading room, livewithoscar.com. Let's go look at another market. Here's another very, very interesting market for us traders. Let's go back to that chart we were just looking at, and we'll move it over to crude. This is your crude oil. Crude has been bearish, and we've been sellers of crude for quite some time, but Omni has gone into buy mode. And if you recall, this is what I like to call an Oscarism known as an F flag, this really big green flag. Well, we broke out of the F flag. We've been charging higher. We've got a green Omni, and we are looking for crude to move higher. We are buying the dips in crude for trading on 3/31. That would be Friday, this Friday. So May crude buying the dips, Omni is. And let's move on to another really interesting chart for trading on Friday. Look at this one. I believe we are here. Yes, we are. Traders, look at this chart. This is my chart masterpiece for the evening. If you look at this chart, you'll see right away why I would absolutely want to be a seller of this market. This average, it's one of my Omni averages that I like to use. So humor me, follow me on this. This average comes into play. Market has a big day, gets under the average, rallies up, has another huge day, but fails on that same day, back under the average. And we come back down and we stay down. Rally back up, we hit the average here, just about, and it breaks back down. Well, here we are again in gold at that same average, and until we break this average, this would be considered a repetitive pattern. When you get to it, something happens, generally you stay below it. So, you've got that, plus an actual red Omni from my Omni for trading on gold. You are below this Omni average, not the OTAPMA, but another Omni average. And then you see this red line right here. This represents what could be construed as a double top in gold. So red Omni stopping at the average, possibly construed on the street or by the street as a double top in gold. that's enough of a reason for me to want to be a seller. The red Omni was a reason alone. Then you've got the average and the possibility of what could be construed as a double top, and we will be selling gold for trading on Friday. OMNIX, if you like the analysis put forth in these videos, and boy, oh boy, has it been accurate for these last 3 months. For the last 10 years it's been, but these last 3 months have been more accurate than I have ever seen. Does the Omni always have winning trades? Of course not. Nothing possibly could. But if you've been following this Omni since the beginning of this year, my goodness, have we been killing in all kinds of markets. It has a down day from time to time, but not many. Join me at livewithoscar.com. I offer recommendations at this site where I give you the actual Omni, when we're going to trade, where to place your stops, and where to take profits. If you'd like, join that service at livewithoscar.com. And a reminder, I'm down to 2 seats left at my Omni camp, just 2. May, we will be holding a 4-day live show here in Las Vegas. It's more like a training camp, like a boot camp, and I will teach you the art of the Omni, Oscar's market navigational indicator, for yourselves. There are 2 seats left open. If you'd like to join me in Las Vegas, you must come to livewithoscar.com. There's only about 7 weeks left. Fill out an application and let me know who you are. Traders, remember, keep your emotions at bay if you can. If you don't know how to keep your emotions at bay, try this. Say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.